Linda Thomas Greenfield is an American diplomat who is the United States ambassador to the United Nations under President Joe Biden. She served as the U.S. Assistant Secretary of State for African Affairs from 2013 to 2017. Thomas Greenfield then worked in the private sector as a senior vice president at Albright Stonebridge Group in Washington, D.C. President Biden nominated her to be the U.S. ambassador to the United Nations, and she was confirmed by the United States Senate on February 23, 2021. She took office after presenting her credentials on February 25, 2021. Thomas Greenfield was born in Baker, Louisiana. She earned a Bachelor of Arts degree from Louisiana State University in 1974 and a Master of Public Administration from the University of Wisconsin-Madison in 1975. Thomas Greenfield taught political science at Bucknell University. Before joining the Foreign Service in 1982, she served as Deputy Assistant Secretary, Bureau of Population, Refugees and Migration, and Director General of the Foreign Service and concurrently as the Director of Human Resources. In addition, Thomas Greenfield held foreign postings in Switzerland, Pakistan, Kenya, the Gambia, Nigeria, and Jamaica. From 2013 to 2017, she served as the Assistant Secretary of State for African Affairs in the United States Department of State's Bureau of African Affairs. In 2017, she was terminated by the Trump administration as part of what was a purge of senior State Department officials and career professionals over nearly 4 years. According to the Los Angeles Times, Thomas Greenfield is a non-resident fellow at Georgetown University, having been the Distinguished Resident Fellow in African Studies from fall 2017 to spring 2019. In November 2020, Thomas Greenfield was named a volunteer member of President-elect Joe Biden's agency review team to support transition efforts related to the United States Department of State. As of November 2020, Thomas Greenfield was on leave from a senior vice president position at Albright Stonebridge Group. On November 24, Biden announced his plans to nominate her as the next U.S. ambassador to the United Nations, and to include her in his cabinet and National Security Council. She appeared before the Senate Committee on Foreign Relations on January 27, 2021. During the confirmation hearing on her nomination for UN ambassador, Thomas Greenfield said she regretted giving a speech to a Beijing-backed Confucius Institute in 2019 when she was working for a private consulting firm. She largely agreed with the Senate Foreign Relations Committee on International Policies, raising concerns about China's malign force and death traps and tactics in Africa and beyond. In February 2021, it was reported that Senator Ted Cruz of Texas was delaying a committee vote on her nomination due to her 2019 comments on China. Thomas Greenfield has vowed to stand against the unfair targeting of Israel for boycott, divestment, and sanctions, saying that the movement verges on anti-Semitism. Thomas Greenfield was confirmed by the United States Senate on February 23, 2021, by a 78-20 vote. She took office after presenting her credentials on February 25, 2021. She succeeded Ambassador Kelly Craft. Beginning on March 1, 2021, the United States became President of the United Nations Security Council. Thus Greenfield became President of the Council as head of the U.S. delegation. Her term ended on March 31, 2021. Thomas Greenfield accused China of committing genocide against Uyghurs and of detaining more than 1 million Uyghurs and other ethnic minorities in Xinjiang internment camps. She said that the United States will keep standing up and speaking out until China's government stops its crimes against humanity and the genocide of Uyghurs and other minorities in Xinjiang. She expressed concern over reports of escalating ethnic tensions in Ethiopia's Tigray region and urged peaceful resolution of the Tigray war between Ethiopia's federal government, led by Nobel Peace Prize-winning Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, and the forces of the Tigray regional government.